What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Dev coming to you, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So, JDM enthusiasts, welcome back to a celebration of automotive artistry and culture, action-packed. Today, we dive deep into the iconic world of GTR R33, specifically in the mesmerizing Rocket Bunny Pandem edition. As we embark on this journey, let us embrace the spirit of JDM, which is the Japanese domestic market, its heritage and innovation. The R33, guys, with its distinctive blend of sleek design and raw power, stands as a true testament to the legacy of JDM craftsmanship. The Rocket Bunny Pandem kit itself is a work of art. It amplifies the aggressive yet elegant aesthetic of this already legendary vehicle. Now guys, from its widened fenders to its striking aerodynamic enhancements, every detail exudes a passion for performance and style. But what truly sets the JDM culture apart from the rest, it's not just the machines we drive, guys, but the community that unites us. It is a shared passion that transcends borders and languages, connecting us through our love for automotive artistry and also the thrill of the open road. So as we bask in the glory of the R33 Rocket Bunny, let us remember the spirit of perseverance and creativity that defines the JDM culture. Let us honor the dreamers and the visionaries who continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me again. Let's unbox this beast up. And remember, it's not a car, guys, it's the way of life. Let's get rolling. This is by Focal Horizon, and it absolutely looks stunning, guys. Very nice details, but this is how the body kit looks from the far end. Up next, we have the R33 400R, and this one is fully tuned up Nismo edition. So what's different with the Rocket Bunny? Let me show you guys. Here we have the Coolio, the hardcore Rocket Bunny edition Pandem, which is now this one has an extended body kit, and also the interior, guys. Look at that roll cage. So once we unbox this particular piece, you're gonna find a lot of details. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, guys, you guys can see the extensive details that are just raging at you.